Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Click the Patreon link in the description to support our work directly, and as always, enjoy the video.
Yeah, he's trashed. There's an open bottle of liquor in the back seat.
Okay.
So, his bottles are checking out stable, so I'm pretty sure he's drunk.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna be. They say he's. I'm gonna talk to the record. So the record's off.
The record opened the other side, and they put it in the car and took the keys out.
Where?
And it's right here.
Oh, right here. Okay. Which record saw him?
When we were pulling up, we saw him leave that stop sign and come this way.
Which record saw him?
Yeah, he's got the keys right there.
Oh, might be this guy right here.
But, yeah, he was stopped over there, and then we were coming down the speeder, and he took off this way. He took his foot off the brake.
Oh, he took back.
Yeah,
Oh.
he stopped here.
Okay.
And then he fell back asleep, and the wrecker opened the door on that side with Jimmy.
Yeah.
And then put it in the car and took the keys out.
Okay.
And there's an open bottle of tequila in the back seat.
Okay.
Taking off my freeway.
You guys have an ID for him?
We can't find identification.
Hey, what's your name, buddy? How you doing? Doing good. What's your name?
My name's Bruce.
Bruce what?
Bruce Hunter.
Bruce Hunter?
Yeah.
Alright, Bruce Hunter, what were you doing today?
I've been chilling today.
Have you been drinking any?
It's been a good day.
Okay.
It's been a fucking day.
Alrighty. What time did you start drinking?
Man, I get here like 1 o'clock or something like that. I don't know.
Okay, 1 o'clock in the morning? 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, go and step out for me, man.
I can step out for you. Where's my wife?
Right here. Appreciate you.
He denied any medical problems, anything that would cause him to do this. He checked his vitals, all his vitals are stable. So.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bruce. Just go and step out, all right? We got to get your car out of here.
Yeah.
Your finger's bleeding? Your finger's bleeding? Okay. You got anything on you? What's right? You're fine. Okay. We're gonna have to get across to the mud, okay? Okay, go that way. Watch your step. When? You wanna bring the shop? Oh, I got the key, my bad.
You want me to bring the truck here?
Yeah, just bring her over here. Just hold on to him. I'll bring the shop.
Can we touch you down? Speak English? English?
Yeah?
Okay. What's your name? Bruce. Bruce? You do any drugs today?
Drugs?
Yeah. No, you don't do cocaine, anything like that? Just alcohol? Alright, Bruce, come step over here with me. Alright, inside. Just real quick, put your hands behind your back.
We're gonna go to the other parking lot, okay? We won't go to this one. You don't got no weapons on you, Bruce? Where are you coming from, Bruce? Look like you have a tag there. Came from a bar or a party? Bruce. Bruce.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Walk this way. We're gonna go sit in the back seat real quick.
Go.
Yeah. And then we'll do some tests on you. Alright?
It's alright, my man.
Yeah. And just check one more time for weapons. You already checked them out, right? Okay. We're gonna go to the parking lot over there and do it because these lines aren't really the best.
Okay. What happened? You hit yourself?
All right, Bruce, go ahead and step out. All right, come this way. We're gonna walk right in front of this. You're gonna use these sets of lines right here, okay? Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
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 You have a hard time walking right now?
Huh?
You have a hard time walking?
You walking me?
Yeah, I'm walking you.
You walking me?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna do a couple tests on you, okay? All right. You willing to cooperate with me?
Yeah.
Okay, Bruce.
Yeah.
You had some fun last night?
Where'd you go last night?
Shit.
All right, Bruce. Face me real quick. Okay, here. All right, Bruce. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do an eye test first, okay? I want you.
Oh, no, I'm not good at this. Vision's not the best.
Okay, that's fine. We don't need the vision.
Fuck the vision.
Bruce, are you gonna do?
Good.
Are you gonna do these tests for me?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and stand up for me then. Go ahead and stand up.
Wait, we want to test. Oh, man, dude.
Go ahead and stand up.
You can take me to jail if you can do some tests and shit, but I'm not. I don't know if I can.
Well, you can try your best. All right.
Hey, Bruce. Just simple yes or no. Do you want to cooperate and do these tests? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Hey.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Okay.
What a fucking fun that test was it?
No, you didn't do any of the tests. So
Oh, fuck.
yeah. Do you still want to do them?
The test?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You still do them?
It's a nice, beautiful baby there.
No. Are you gonna do the test for me?
Huh?
Are you gonna do the test?
I mean, yeah, I'll do the test all day. I don't care.
Okay. So if I say I want to check your eyes, you're gonna let me check your eyes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna stand right here and watch this and move your head?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't get no fucking problem with that.
Okay. So I'm gonna try it one more time, and you say you're gonna cooperate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if you don't cooperate, I'm just gonna put you back in the handcuffs. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
So you can. Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Freedom.
Are you gonna do the test?
Freedom.
Okay, Bruce. I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay.
Better.
I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'll see if you want to cooperate or not. Go ahead and put your arms to the side. All the way down. Okay. Put your feet together for me. put your feet together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you put your heels together or no?
I don't know, bro.
Okay. So, follow me with this right here. This pen.
Yep. I'll
you
watch you. I see. I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just don't move your head, okay? Just follow the eyes only.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
No? You're not following? Are you following right now?
Yes.
Okay, you're looking with me?
Yes.
No? Okay, so you're not doing this test? Do you want to do this other test where you do the one leg stand?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what the one leg stand is, right?
Nah.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you how it's done then.
I don't know. Let me see
Alright.
you do it.
All right, you stand like this. You're gonna take one leg up.
Sound like you.
Yep. You're gonna take one leg up and you're gonna count. Look at your leg. Count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Okay. Not yet. When I'm gonna tell you to. Okay. So no, not yet. Go ahead and put it down. Go ahead and put it down.
Yeah.
Put your heels together.
I did it. That was pretty good, man.
Put your heels together. Put your heels together.
Yeah.
Let them touch it. Okay. Arms down. All right. So you're gonna count out loud, okay? No, like this. Watch.
Yeah.
Up like this.
Example.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Begin.
All right.
Go ahead. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like you.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. I didn't say to say stop.
Oh, you told me to lift 1 foot.
Yeah. Keep going.
To 8.
That's as long as you can do it. You can't do it no more.
No, I did. I did what you asked.
Oh, you're supposed to keep doing it until I tell you to stop.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. You weren't clear in your instructions.
Let's do that again then.
You wanted to do.
Let's do it again then.
Again?
Yeah, we'll do it again where you put your leg up and the instruction is you keep it up, you count out loud until I tell you to stop. If you drop it, it's fine. Just putting it back up, okay?
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Hey, you got to be more clear about what you.
Okay. Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you?
Are you ready to do it?
Maybe so. You know.
Okay.
I'm kind of tired.
Go ahead and put your foot up.
This doesn't seem very cool.
No, it's just a test.
It's kind of lame.
All right. Go ahead.
So what do you want me to do? Stick
So-
your foot up.
Yeah, like this, and count 1, 2, 3. Keep counting until I tell you to stop. Okay. You ready? Okay. Okay. Do you want to do the other test? It's going to be the walk and turn test, okay? Can you put your foot like this right now? Put your left foot in front of your right foot?
Hell, motherfucking yeah, bro.
Go ahead. Can you keep it like that? So the way this test works, hey, can you watch me to make sure he doesn't fall on his back? Hey, the way this test works is you're going to do...
I don't know about the test, bro.
You don't want to do it? Okay. Let me try one more time with the eye test. You're gonna follow your eyes?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
cover my eyes. I mean,
Okay. Watch the tip of this pen.
okay.
All right. You're looking straight. You're not watching the tip of the pen.
I'm not. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what the direction here.
So the direction is all you do is look at the pen with your eyeballs and follow it with your eyeballs. Okay.
The pen with my eyeballs.
Yes, your eyes. So you're looking at the pen. If I move this way, you have to look that way.
So I'm supposed to rotate my whole body.
No, you're just supposed
towards
to.
that pen.
No. So you're gonna look with just your eyes. Your eyes only. Do not move your head with the pen. You tracking? You tracking the pen?
Okay.
So you gotta track the pen.
That's easy. I see the pen right there.
Where's it going?
Can you do it without moving your head?
All right.
Just your eyes, not with your head.
Okay. I mean. All right. You're moving your head still, so.
Yeah, you get that pen.
I know.
You told me to follow the pen.
Yeah, without moving your head.
Oh, man, fucking game is stupid as shit, dude.
Okay. Okay. That's fine.
Man,
That's fine.
I got the pen, no?
No, you didn't do any of these tests right.
Hey, good job on doing your fucking job on the handcuffs, dude. Good job on doing your fucking job.
Good job, man. You know, it's like,
You searched the car real good?
Well, I just saw the, I ain't going in and get a compartment. Oh, okay.
Yeah, go on.
Is there anybody with me?
No, there's nobody with you.
I'm alone.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, I got a Zio. Alright, Bruce. Go ahead and step out.
Yeah.
Hey, Conrad, can you grab his hat? It's on your side. Go ahead and put your arms
I
back.
can't. It's kind of stuck, bro.
Kind of stuck?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me...
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
Crouch down a little. Crouch.
Holy shit.
Alright, let's get it up out there.
Ah!
Alright.
Yeah, that hurts. Maybe if I step over it.
Hey, Nas. He's stuck.
what happened?
Shut up.
What were you trying to do?
Ah!
Hold on, man.
Shit, that hurt. Alright. Feel better.
We gotta put them in the bag? No, don't we?
What was I arrested for?
Don't we have to put those
What
in
was
the
I
bag?
arrested for, guys?
Yeah.
Why was I arrested?
Driving while intoxicated. Well, you're detained right now. We still gotta run these tests.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
You arrested me for...
I just keep in the front.
You wanna keep them in the
Yeah,
front?
because in the back when we're driving.
Okay.
Keep in the front. So we get to know.
Here, they're scared you might have COVID. You gotta wear a mask.
Walk him, I'm gonna put my guns.
So you guys know, I don't think I've ever tested positive for COVID, but
Hello.
I think COVID's fucking fake.
You think so? Okay.
COVID's fucking fake. Yeah, they already fucking know.
All right, stop right there. I still gotta put this on, right? Whatever you do with it inside, that's up to you. But you have to go in with it.
No, that's fine.
All right.
I mean,
And just keep your hands.
about it.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content. Or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.